What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my new dirt bike. I bought a 125 Coolster, and this thing is pretty fast and it rips. I'm going to be taking you guys for a little rip on it, and yeah, I'll start it for you guys so you can hear it. So as you can see, it sounds pretty good, and let's go get a rip on it. Alright, I'm going to open this door, and then we will get... So, Bray bent my brake lever, so now that's way bent. This is a 4-speed manual clutch, and it goes like 40 miles an hour. So guys, that's the dirt bike, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and there'll be a lot more videos on this, probably making some trails later this year, and just doing some more fun stuff with this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.